Hello everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome to Anna's Simple English Life. It's so lovely to have you here with me today. In this video, I will share 10 simple English sentences that I use every day. Think of this as a little peek into my daily conversations. These sentences are easy, natural, and perfect for beginners. They are like little keys that can unlock new parts of the English language for you. I hope they help you feel more comfortable and confident when you speak. If you enjoy learning English with me in this calm and cozy way, please like this video. You can also leave a comment to say hello or share a sentence you use every day. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. Now, let's begin. Sentence 1. I usually wake up early. This is a simple sentence to talk about your daily habit. For me, it's true. I love the quiet morning hours. You can change early to late if you like to sleep in. For example, I usually wake up late on weekends. It's a great way to start a conversation about your daily routine. Sentence 2. I need to get ready. We say this when we are preparing to go out. Maybe you have to go to work, to school, or to meet a friend. Getting ready can mean many things, like taking a shower, brushing your teeth, or choosing your clothes for the day. When my friend calls me in the morning, I often say, I need a few more minutes. I need to get ready. Sentence 3. I'm making coffee right now. We use this sentence for activities that are happening at this very moment. The words right now are very useful. You can use this structure for many daily activities. For example, I'm eating breakfast right now, or I'm reading a book right now. It helps people understand what you are doing at the time of speaking. Sentence 4. I'll do it later. This is a very common and helpful phrase. It means you will do something not now, but in the future. Perhaps a friend asks you to wash the dishes, but you are busy. You can say, I'll do it later. It's a gentle way to postpone a task. Just remember to actually do it later. Sentence 5. I'm a little tired today. This is a very common sentence in daily life, and it's very honest. We all have days when our energy is low. It's okay to feel that way. You can say this to a friend or a family member. It helps them understand why you might be a little quiet or slow. Honesty about our feelings is a beautiful part of communication. Sentence 6. Let me think about it. We say this when we need some time to make a decision. Maybe a friend invites you to a party, but you are not sure if you can go. Instead of saying yes or no right away, you can say, that sounds nice. Let me think about it. It shows that you are considering their offer carefully. Sentence 7. I'm on my way. This is a very useful sentence. It means you have already left and you are traveling to your destination. If you are meeting a friend and they text you, where are you? You can reply, I'm on my way. It lets them know that you are coming and will be there soon. Sentence 8. That sounds good to me. We say this when we agree with a suggestion or a plan. Imagine your friend says, let's watch a movie tonight. If you like that idea, you can simply say, that sounds good to me. It's a positive and friendly way to show your agreement. It makes planning things with others easy and pleasant. Sentence 9. I don't feel like it today. This sentence is used when you don't have the energy or the mood for something. It's a little similar to I'm a little tired, but it's more about your desire to do an activity. If a friend asks, do you want to go for a run? You can gently say, I don't feel like it today. It's an honest way to express your feelings without being rude. And finally, sentence 10. I'll see you later. This is a warm and friendly way to say goodbye. It's not a formal goodbye. It feels more hopeful, like you know you will see the person again soon. You can say it to your colleagues when you leave work, or to a friend after having coffee together. I'll see you later leaves a feeling of connection. These are 10 English sentences I use almost every single day. They are simple, but they are a big part of my daily life. I encourage you to try using them in your own life. Start with 1 or 2, and see how they feel. Practice makes progress. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. It was wonderful to spend this time with you. I hope you feel a little more confident. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.